Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can link Garmin to Google Fit. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's pretty simple. First up, you need to go to Google Store, and then you just need one app, and it's called Health Sync. So you just need to type in health and then sync. Right over here you have this app. I've already downloaded it, so you just need to download it and open it up. Once you open it up, it will ask you for first usage actions. Just press OK, and then you gotta do the sync configuration. Now right over here we're linking our Garmin to Google Fit, so just simply choose Garmin and then to Google Fit, and then just simply press OK. After that, just press on declaration of consent and then press accept. Now over here you just need to press on Google account connection, and just make sure that your Google account connection is connected with one of your Google account, and then you're initializing the Garmin authorization. So just simply press on that, and then you're good to go. You've successfully linked Garmin with Google Fit. So yeah, just need to sign in and you're good to go. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.